Hello there, amazing human being. Welcome to this guided meditation. I feel honored and delighted that I can be your private host during this meditative journey. This meditation was created with the intention to manifest world peace and to send out healing to current conflict zones anywhere on Earth. The meditation came to life after I talked with one of my current classmates who is a refugee. He was devastated after the house where his whole family was located was bombed. Due to the bombing, the network connection is completely destroyed. At this moment in time, he still doesn't know if his family is alive. This situation and so many more are asking for big changes. I believe we can make this world a place where we can all live in peace and harmony with each other. We are all one. If one of us gets hurt, we all get hurt. So let's open up our hearts. Let's break through the walls that were built to create duality among people. Let's create a world where it's safe to love each other. Let's unify. We can do this. Alright, so now I would like to ask you to sit, stand or lay down in a position which feels most comfortable for you. When you are seated, you can close your pretty eyes. Take a nice, deep breath. Inhale as much as you can, but which still feels comfortable for your body. After you inhaled, try keeping your breath in for a few seconds before exhaling. Do this 3 times in your own pace. I will wait for you. Alright, so now I invite you to visualize yourself standing on an amazing field filled with all kinds of beautiful flowers. In the middle of the field, you see a huge crystal standing right in between all those flowers. Walk towards the crystal. This crystal is rooted deep into the earth. It will help you with staying grounded while making this journey. Touch the crystal now and feel how it grounds you like a mountain. The crystal and you are now mixed together. The crystal and you are one. This crystal is filled with fresh healing life force. While you are making this journey, it is healing and restoring every single cell in your amazing body. Now I invite you to concentrate on our fantastic, beautiful planet. See Mother Earth right in front of you. If you want, you can now put extra focus on the areas who are in conflict with each other. If you don't exactly know geographically where on Earth that is taking place, you can ask the Earth if she can transfer your energy to those places in need. Now see a huge green ball of energy appearing right above planet Earth. This ball of energy is filled with the energy of your beautiful heart. See how your heart is connecting with this energy and see how it starts to grow and shine brighter and brighter with every beat of your heart. If you want, you can ask the universe, your spiritual guides, or the light beings around you if they want to help you with filling this round energy field with love and healing. Now I will give you a moment to put your intentions into the green ball of light. You can say, feel, or think whatever you want to send out to the world. Now that you have put all your intentions into the green ball of light, you see that it starts to burst. See how it is exploding into billions of pieces, spreading out all over the entire world. See how the pieces of heart energy are highly concentrated in the places where healing is most needed. While falling down upon the surface of the earth, the pieces now each transform in all kinds of gorgeous flowers. See how all these flowers shower upon earth. See how they fall down from the sky into all the cities, villages and fields. See how all the people are touched by these beautiful healing flowers. Earth is now covered in a colorful blanket of healing. Mother Earth is thanking you for sending so much love and healing to her inhabitants. You have done an amazing job here today. You are helping with shifting the world into higher healing frequencies. Now it is time to travel back into your body. I will count up from 1 to 5. At 5, you will be completely back in the here and now. 1, start to come back. 2, 3, almost there. 4 and 5. You are back into your body, fully aware. Thank you so much for making the effort to make a change. Know that you are so tremendously powerful. Your energy can move mountains. Even if we have not physically met, I feel the energy you have sent out here today. It lights up my heart that you've showed up on this journey of healing. I send you so much love from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for tuning in. Take good care of yourself. You are an amazing being. One more side note, which is actually not a side note at all. In the meantime, while I was editing this audio, the classmate who I mentioned earlier in this video received news from his family. They are all still alive and now in a safe place. Thank you so much for doing this healing meditation. You made a big change. You are still making a big change. Thank you.